Hello, everyone. My name is Lori Amigan, and I am a Senior Applications Engineer with Dude Solutions. We realized that there were advanced features and functions that you were looking for in our capital forecasting solution, and we wanted to let you know that we heard you loud and clear and are excited to show you what we have to offer. Welcome to Capital Forecasting Solution Updates. Why is planning ahead important, you might ask? Just as how you'd expect air traffic controllers to safely bring your plane into land amongst the myriad of airplanes in the sky, you need a plan in order to successfully strategize all of your projects, priorities, and capital improvements. Do these images strike a chord with you? Most institutions we work with do a great job of assessing where they are, prioritizing and planning what they need to do, and executing to a certain extent, but find themselves in a run-to-fail model. If we take a deeper look at this cycle, your capital improvement plan takes the guesswork out of the process. In our experience, most institutions find themselves with a backlog of deferred maintenance. What that equates to is not being able to get to everything you plan for, which therefore means that you need to reassess, reprioritize, and reevaluate your plan. This cycle of success may by no means be new to any of you. However, it is our way of helping you problem solve for your facility's future needs. Here are a few enhancements. Inflation factors, giving yourself a cushion in case the economy changes. Regional indexes take into account where you are in the country. You now have the ability to enter in your own custom index based upon the uniqueness of your institution. In addition to assessing the health of your facilities, you can now incorporate site work. This would include such things as fields, courts, signage, fencing, flagpoles, and the list goes on. Attachments to your building components and projects help you to easily maintain information such as vendors, designs, invoices, links, etc. Now time for the demonstration. So within the Account Setup tab, and specifically the account information, is where you would adjust your annual inflation rate. This factor is compounded the longer it takes you to complete a project. Also in this section is where you find your regional index, based upon where you are in the country. For added flexibility, you may select a custom index. Site work is described as site development in your building systems list. So let's go there now. And can be added on a per facility basis. So there are the site items such as the parking lots, and then here are the site development items as previously discussed. Also under this Building Components tab is where you can add attachments. So if I go to my location, Laurie Auditorium, and specifically go to electrical and lighting building systems, and I search for that. If I go to the specific building component itself, and then I scroll down here to the bottom under the attachment sections, I can then click this Add New Attachment link. I can select what type of resource I would like to include. So again, either a file or a URL, upload that information, and then once I've uploaded it, you will now then see it here listed as an attachment. You may edit that information at any time. You may also then delete it at any time. Also, if we go back to the building components list, I can now see that there is a paperclip icon in front of that building component to show me that there is in fact then an attachment associated to that specific building component. And you see that there. When you decide to subscribe to any of our solutions, know that you will receive unlimited support and training and be able to access your solutions from anywhere. We talked about the assessment as being the first step in your capital improvement plan. Many of the institutions we work with have found great success by utilizing our professional services, everything from collecting data on your assets and more. If you would like to see more or receive a private demonstration of the Capital Forecast solution, please fill out the form to the right of this page. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.